For 19, you're simply distributing that negative to all three terms to make that negative 6a, negative 6b, and positive 3c. And once you do that, you're combining like terms. So 4a and negative 6a make negative 2a, 7b and negative 6c make 1b, and 6c and 3c make 9c. For number 20, you're trying to find the least common multiple of 50, 30, and 70. So in other words, if you keep counting by 50s, keep counting by 30s, and keep counting by 70s, what's the smallest number that's going to divide into all of them? And looking at our answer options, I started with the lowest one, and we know 30 does not go into 50 evenly, so I crossed that out. Then looked at the 105 and noticed the 50 doesn't divide that into equally. And the 150, 70 does not go into that equally. So then you try 1050, and all three numbers, 50, 70, and 30, divided into that equally, so letter J is correct. And for 21, it's simple substitution. They give you the equation B equals 7LH. You're using 420 bricks, so that goes in for B. You have a length of 30 feet, so that goes in for the length. And multiplying and then dividing both sides by 210 gets us an H of 2. And in problem 22, we're trying to find the slope of a line parallel to that equation. So if we solve that equation for y, we subtract the 5x over, then divide by 7. So now we have y by itself, and that slope is what's in front of the x, which is negative 5 over 7. Parallel lines have the same slope, so negative 5 over 7 would be a slope that is parallel. And finally, for this page, number 23, the area formula for a triangle is 1/2 base times height. If the base is 5 and they're giving us the area A, we're simply solving for x. And if you multiply the half times the 5 to get 2.5, and take 20 divided by 2.5, you get x equals h, or excuse me, x equals 8, which is our height, letter E.